I went through Academy 2 Advanced Leadership. It was very amazing. I found it to be very helpful. It helped me to be able to organize my time better, but I found the material to be really good. So I had a great experience in a learning academy, and I would like to continue that. Hopefully they get a level 3. I say one takeaway from the Learning Academy would be the 7 habits of highly successful people, but especially seek first to understand rather than to be understood. Just, having that aspect of trying to understand people rather than just have people to understand me helps me to do my job a lot better. The Learning Academy has supported my job by helping me just to understand people better, because when you working with people, I think it's really hard to give people what they need if you don't understand them or understand what they need. So me being a behavior specialist, I have to understand what it is my drivers need. I have to understand what programs the students need and how we can bridge that gap and help drivers and students have better relationships. So it's helped me with building relationships. It's helped me with sharpening some of my own skills, but it's helped me really overall to have better leadership qualities, I think. I think others should think about enrolling in the academy just for the pure experience of it, just trying to grow and better. I love me personally going to conferences, reading books, or, the Leadership Academy, anything that I could do to get a little bit better every day. So I think the Leadership Academy speaks volume to that. It'll help somebody to be able to think better, to be a better leader, to understand that there's a huge difference from managing a person and leading a person. And, we really want to be in the aspect of leading people working with students and not just managing, not just having this checklist of I've done this today, I've done this today, I've done it, but truly having an impact on somebody's life.